show.
I
I
don't
don't
really know.
really know.
Neither do I.
Um, hmm. Let's not start that way. And Bill Withers.
Yeah,
Any Bill Withers fans out there?
right here.
Ain't no sunshine.
I
All
wonder
right,
if I remember
take
that.
two. Take two.
Um, I think it's an A.
And oh no. I don't know how to start. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. All right. Um, hmm. I really don't know how to start.
Hmm.
Maybe if I could hear the can we put on the intro music? Yeah, whatever you need, boss. All right. Let's play some music and then we'll do the Ojibwe word of the day and that. I don't know. You got any ideas?
Nah.
All right. Guess I'm on my own. All right, let's just do this. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I'm here today with Natasha, and we're just gonna talk a little bit about Ojibwe language and culture. We're gonna do an Ojibwe word of the day, and I don't know. I'm not really feeling it, tell you the truth.
Oh, really?
Maybe it's the weather. Oh, it
Yeah.
really snowed today, didn't it?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Gizogipon nungum. It snowed today. And now, GOONIKAA. There's a lot of snow. And so, I was out there shoveling, and my back is sore.
Aw.
So I don't know. Yeah. For the winter dark of late December, there's no solution. I think that was a poem. Anyway, so what do you do if you got the winter blues? You know what I do? I sing a song. The sun is gone. It's not easy to keep from getting dark. It's a dark time of year. You know, Christmas is over. All right, so here's a song by Bill Withers. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. And I know, 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 I know. Oh, leave young thing alone. I know sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is Natasha on the guitar. And I will see you again. Igawabamin, Minawa. Oh,